Millet Marvel. So we are here at Apollo, and this is we are having a millet dosa here. Oh my God! So this is like a cute place, and so Ayush, can I feed you the first bite? Look at this minuscule bite that I'm giving my child. It's a millet dosa. For 105. Yeah, the thing about millet is it tastes slightly bitter. So I mean millet, right? So that's the thing. But this is a cute place, and very reasonable, and this is within the Apollo Medical College and hospital premises. So Millet Marvel it is. We are sitting on like stone benches. But yeah, honestly, I'll be honest, perhaps it's the millet, but it doesn't taste of anything really. Maybe I should have it with the chutney. But yeah, I'm glad I'm here, and I'm glad I'm having this. So, Millet Marvel it is. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.